What do you call a sleeping dinosaur? I don't know. What do you call a sleeping dinosaur? A Dino-Snore. Okay, I have one. Why did the banana go to the doctor? I don't know. Why? Because it wasn't peeling well.